Hello, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of KS Farm Presents. Okay, I didn't get a chance to videotape it, but what I ended up doing was getting some gas in the sawmill and leveling out the legs a little bit more. But I couldn't get it to turn over. I don't know. I only got a gallon of gas, maybe because it went empty. There's not enough gas in it. I'm going to go get some more and see if that works. And got one of the bent legs a little bit more leveled. So that's done. So pretty good. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. There are a couple of things you could do now. You could click here. That's the best video for you. Or you could click here. That's a playlist that will show more videos like the one you just watched if you feel like binge watching Chaos Farm, and I know you'd probably do. There's a couple other things that you could do just to make this more complicated. You could hit the thumbs up button, or you could hit here, that's subscribe.